Hello, welcome to the electronics world. Today our topic how to download and install Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook on a window. So let's start. So the very first step is to open your browser. Once you open your browser and search for Anaconda, once you search for Anaconda, on the top of the list you will find the www.anaconda.com. So open on it. Once you click on this, you should download uh, for window. If you're Mac user or Linux user, you can also download for your specific version. So I'm a window user. I'm going for download a window. Okay, so it's set up. I'm here canceling it because I have already downloaded. So let's go for the installation step. I'm going for my folder and open this Anaconda setup and run it. Oh, it start. Once you start, you will be find the welcome to Anaconda page. Next, agree with their criteria. Next, and you can choose your path yourself. Go to D drive, make new data, and let's start. Okay, if you don't install a Python, you can also click on it. If you have already a Python, so leave as it is. Install it. Let's so it's complete. Initially completed. So let's hit a next button. Next and finish it. Okay. Once you finish it, so now if we search for Conda, you have two different. One is in a Conda prompt, and another is in a Conda navigator. So if you want to install a Jupyter notebook or any other notebooks, you can head on a. Okay. Once you open it, you will be find the different type of IDEs and VS Studios. So you are interested in a Jupyter notebook, hit and install. So I think I have already installed. So go to not command prompt, go to search Anaconda and open Anaconda prompt. Okay. So Anaconda here, let's check the Anaconda. So Conda info. It will give you a complete detail of Anaconda packages, where you install it, where is the environment. So here, if you can see that there is a virtual environment. Anaconda environment is open. In this environment, if you install the packages or libraries, it will not affect your other packages you install on a window because it's a virtual environment. So if you want to deactivate this base, only uh, only write a deactivate. Oh, it deactivate. If you see that there is no base. If you want to again activate the Conda virtual environment, so only write activate. It will self Conda bit dot activate. Okay. So let's see the Jupyter notebook. How to open a Jupyter notebook. So it will open the Jupyter notebook for you. Okay. So go to your browser. Yeah, open it, Jupyter notebook. If you want to start a new project on it, so hit on new. Let's first create a folder on a desktop. Okay, here is the interface of this. If you want to write a code in it, you can just open your notebook here and you can import a library, import something. Let's import numpy, anything you want, print, such a thing. You will be, for example, you want to print hello, you can just save it and when it's working, fine. So thank you for today's video. I hope you will get the idea. Let's see you in next video. Thank you.